Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and today I am going to show you how you can start to get incredibly good, solid rhythm on harmonica. So this is specifically for beginners, but if you feel that your rhythm is wobbly, this is where you need to start. And if you're not a beginner but your rhythm is wobbly, then you're going to have to go back a few steps and really solidify those foundations, because rhythm is the most important thing in music. The notes you play, that's inconsequential. Good rhythm equals good feel, equals a fun time for the listener and a fun time for the musicians. So that's super important. So first step to getting amazing rhythm on the harmonica is taking this bad boy, this harmonica, putting it down. So you're going to start by working with your metronome. So what is a metronome? You've probably seen one of these before. This is a metronome, okay? And basically it's something that will give you a set beat, and you can change the speed of set beat or the tempo of set beat. So right now I have this set to 60 BPM. What does BPM mean? BPM means beats per minute. And if I move the weight up and down, I can change how fast the metronome goes. So there, it's a lot faster. I have it set to 144 BPM. But for this lesson and for your practice, I suggest you set it to 60 BPM or thereabouts. So I'm going to put it down so it doesn't get confused. So there we have a nice solid beat. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by tapping your feet in time with this. So right now, I've got my feet tapping down, and I'm actually using my heels to tap in time with the metronome. And the reason I'm using my heels is so that sends a jolt up through my body and makes me feel that beat and lock in with it, okay? And this might feel really simplistic, but this is the first step. It's tapping in time with the beat, okay? And then the next step is still not to pick up your harmonica, but to count. So we're going to count in sets of 4, so bars of 4 beats. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you can do that really comfortably and you're locked in, then see if you can do it in your head. And you're going to be thinking, well, is Tomlin counting in his head when he plays? Yes, and especially when I practice, I'm always counting when I practice. When I'm playing, I can let go of it because I've done it for years and years, but it's something that you need to keep in your mind. You need to keep that beat. So, next step, you're allowed to pick up your harmonica. So, C harmonica, what you're going to do is you're going to play just a 2 draw, and you're going to play it on beat 1, and only beat 1, and then you're going to count the other beats. So you'll do 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So my feet are still tapping, I'm still thinking about where the pulse is, and I'm just playing on beat 1. And then when you can do that really comfortably, play on beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And then we play on beat 3. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. And then we play on beat 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then when that feels really easy, your next step is to play something a little bit more complex. So we're still only playing on the beat, but we're going to play the C major scale in first position. So that'll sound like this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, keep doing that. Make sure that it feels completely solid. And I suggest that you record yourself while you're doing it so you can listen back and hear how close to the beat you are. And if you're not on the beat, keep practicing. And when you know that you're really locked in is when you can't hear the beat anymore because you're sitting on top of it. And this is something that you need to keep working on all the time. So I still practice with a metronome to help keep my rhythm nice and solid. And what you will do once you reach a stage of that being easy, of counting being easy, of playing on the beat being easy, you'll just increase the rhythmic complexity bit by bit. You'll play eighth notes, then triplets, then you'll play more complex rhythms. You can always make metronome practice more and more complex. And it's something that all the great players have done in one way or another. They might have done it with a drum beat, but they've played with a solid external beat to internalize it themselves. Okay? So if you want more of this kind of help, then I suggest you check out my 4-week foundation course, which is completely free and gives you everything that you need to get started playing blues harmonica. And you can find that by clicking on the link in the description below or clicking the little link that pops up above my head. Before you run away and do that, you can do a little something for me. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I put out a new harmonica video every Wednesday and I wouldn't want you to miss out on next week's. All right, take it easy. Happy harping.